So we have 1/3 of just green shrubs, leaves, anything, not specific with nitrogen. And then we have 1/3 part is nitrogen rich, and this should be like we have this nitrogen rich thing, we have the husks of the coffee which is nitrogen rich, we have the manure over there, should also be about 1/3. And then we have another third which is brown material, carbon, high in carbon. This one, this small piece there, we need, to get the air inside with the small branches. And then we have here, we have the thing from the, how do you call it, the husk. Then I collected some leaves, brown. This color, this material color is brown. Green, green. So 2/3 green, 1/3 brown. And then you always mix it, green, brown, green. You have to mix it all three a piece, a layer, a layer, a layer, a layer, till it gets 150 height and 1 meter above. That's what the material we use about. Gently water it. We need water to make it wet, and then we have our starter, which is the fish.
Where you put the fish? Yeah. Underneath?
In the
middle?
In the middle. This is the starter. Mr. George's catch from this morning. Let the water drain if it's too much water. Plastic. We have of brown material. Okay, so now I add from the coffee coffee cherries, but there is also the manure inside. Hast du die Schaufel, oder die?
Ja.
Once you have set up the compost, you go and leave it for 4 days. If we have big material here over here, it may be 5 days, 4 to 5 days. And then you turn it to this side. So we have 2 plots, you turn it here. And you have to make sure that you get the outside part of the compost, you put in the middle, and the middle part of the compost, you put on the outside. So every part of the compost should once go, at least once, it gets more, but at least once it should be in the center where it is very hot. So you have to turn it from inside to outside or from outside to inside. If we measure the temperature of the compost, it should be between 55 and 65 degrees. If it is more than that, we have the ratio of nitrogen to carbon is too high, so we have too much nitrogen. Then we have to add additional carbon, brown material, if we turn it next time.
Kartoffeln kurz reinschmeißen, hier auf den Heuboden.
Das auch noch in Saumstein? Tun wir noch oben drauf. Ja. So, Finger waschen.
Ursanft. Kann man das suchen.